Hi everyone! So our first objective for this lesson is to learn how to write the phonetic transcription of the English alphabets that can help you pronounce the English words correctly, especially when using your dictionaries by yourself. So there will be no need to ask someone to pronounce the new words you encounter from now on.
A B C D E F G H I J K L M N O P Q R S T U V W X Y Z.
A apple. B is for boat. C is for car. D is for deer. E is for ear. F is for face. G is for giraffe. H is for heart. I is for ice. J is for juice. K is for kangaroo. L is for lion. M is for magnet. N is for nail. O is for orange. P is for planet. Q is for queue. R is for rainbow. S is for square. T is for triangle. U is for umbrella. V is for van. W is for whale. X is for xylophone. Y is for yarn. Z is for zebra.
Conversation. My name is Jennifer Miller. Part A. Listen and practice.
Hello, my name is Michael Oda.
Hi, my name is Jennifer Miller.
It's nice to meet you, Jennifer.
Nice to meet you too.
I'm sorry, what's your last name again?
It's Miller.
Spelling names. Part A. Listen and practice. A B C D E F G H I J K L M N O P Q R S T U V W X Y Z. Class activity. Listen and practice. Then practice with your own names. Make a list of your classmates' names.
What's your name?
My name is Sarah Connor.
Is that S-A-R-A-H?
Yes, that's right.
How do you spell your last name? C-O-N-N-O-R?
No, it's Conner.
Okay, so let's practice. So look at the pictures and answer the following question. What's this? So what do you see in the first picture? Think before you click. Right. This is an apple. Next. This is a car. So try to make the video on pause until you answer all the pictures and then you check if your answer is correct. This is a giraffe. This is a heart. And you keep going. This is a deer. This is a lion. This is a triangle. And this is juice. Good. Now write the phonetic transcription of the following letters. So before you correct, you write on a piece of paper like V, as you see here, V. You do the same thing, okay? So the first one is what? Right. H. Good. Again, make the video pause and then you correct. P, F, K, U, Q, R, E. Perfect. Good job.